That's really good. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making French bread. This is going to be easy, this is going to be wonderful. This is going to use brioche bread. Originally I intended upon teaching you how to make brioche bread. However, after testing this recipe out, I now have a whole nother loaf of brioche bread in my freezer. And as you've seen in my previous videos, I've mentioned the fact without tasters, I don't want to keep filling up my freezer with some things. You will see the recipe on how to make the brioche bread. It's really good and super simple, but you can use just about any sort of heavy rustic bread to do this. All the ingredients are listed down below. This is an adapted recipe. The original recipe is also listed down below. So I'm going to start off with my milk, and these are supposed to be egg yolks. If you get more than the egg yolk, you also get the egg white, some of the egg white in there. It is not the end of the world. Now what I'm going to do right away is mix that up. That looks good. Now the next thing that I'm going to add, because I'm using sea salt, and it takes a little bit longer, is a good pinch of sea salt. It'll take a little bit longer for that to dissolve. To that I will add my brown sugar. The goal is to get this all mixed up, dissolved, mixed up. Vanilla. Now if you want to learn how to make your own homemade vanilla, go ahead and hit that card. It will teach you how to make your own vanilla, or you can just buy a good quality vanilla that you can easily afford. Now our spices. I have fresh ground nutmeg, and I have cinnamon, ground cinnamon. We are going to give that a good stir, and you notice I am trying to keep all of this mixed up. This is such an easy recipe to do. Now most of the time you want to have your bread about 1 inch thick, and as you can see it's about 1 inch thick, and then we can go from there. I'm going to take this over to my stove because it's so easy to do. You're going to dip your bread into our mixture and let it soak on each side for about 5 seconds, and transfer it to a heated skillet. You're going to cook it on the skillet for about 1 minute on each side until it is browned. Our French toast is done. The kitchen's still a mess because we're just about ready to eat. But I'm going to go ahead and taste one of these while we're all set up here. Let's give this a nice taste. That is without any butter or syrup, and it's super good. Now this is one of those easy things you can make. Serve it right away, or you can put it into the oven, keep it warm until you're ready to serve. Now if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home, and I hope we get to see you the next time you stop by.